What's good, family?
What's good? What's good, my brother? What's happening, man?
Man, I appreciate you for tapping in, man. Thank you for taking some time, you know what I'm saying? Just talk
Man,
to the people.
come
Talk to us,
on,
man.
man.
You been in the Patreon how long?
Since December, man. Since December, about to be
Oh,
coming
you
up on
been
a year.
you been rocking.
Coming up on a year, right?
You been rocking.
So peep game. I come from the same background. I ain't
Yeah,
know nothing about. I don't think I trying to finesse some. Boy, my folk put me on Wall Street. Trapper, my boy Slim put me on Wall Street. I said, oh, shouted like me. He just like me. And I went to looking at it and understood the language of trading. Well,
yeah,
I ain't looked back since. I've been training every day since. I ain't looked back, and that Trapping Tuesday is gonna keep us on point. You feel me?
yeah.
And as soon as I change that mindset, you know what I'm saying? That scarcity, that poverty mindset, not scared to get in, being confident. Man, listen.
Mmm,
Listen, I took
mmm.
190. People always ask me how much it take to get in. Listen, it might not take much if you're close enough. The contracts get cheap at the end of the day. You understand what I'm saying? Listen, I took a one once, seen my first 8,000 off of stock, going back in 2,000 on the account, flip it to 10. Take that 8 off, 2,000 on the account, flip it to 10. I keep tricking myself. You get too
Great
much
money.
money, you get to doing 50 accounts and 50 contracts, and all that. I keep tricking myself. Hey, come back down, start it over, start it over, start it over. You know what I'm saying? Patient, being patient. We going for the long run. We're doing 20% a week to be a multimillionaire in 52 weeks. 20% your account a week. In 52 weeks, you'll have $6.5 million. I did the math. You do it yourself. Ask ChatGPT. That's what's going. Appreciate you, Trap.
So that's the
Appreciate you, my
goal.
brother. That's
That's
the
the
goal.
goal.
That's what we're doing. We walking in that. We're gonna talk about it first. We're gonna trick the subconscious, and we're gonna do that. We're gonna do that.
I like
Keep
that.
on, keep on coming back to the city. Keep on talking out here in the hood. 'Cause that's in the hood. That's what we're doing, and we're going for it. Trapping Tuesday Trap. I appreciate you, my brother.
I appreciate you, boss. Thank you, King.
Come on.
Oh
You know what's
man,
going
I
on.
gotta love that. We gotta love that. We gotta love that. We gotta love that. Look, he just gave you the formula. Hey, try. This is my formula. I'm doing 20% a week, and he said I'm tricking myself. I'm not letting my account get big, right? I start over with the 20%. I mean, the account is growing, but I'm not going to get 40, 50, 60 contracts. I'm going to get a little bit at a time, little bit at a time, tricking myself. Trap. Oh, I love to hear that. 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 That's good. Right? Remember I said something. I said something like, you can use somebody else's rules as your guardrails, but at some point you got to create the rules that work for you. So he like, nah, I'm not about to go get. And look how that works. Right? Look how that works. You can start getting them plays and you start stacking your bread up. And here's how the market works for you. The market will let you hit. And if you're a trader, you know this happens for real. The market will let you hit on them when you in the 2, 3 contracts. As soon as you go get 10, 15 contracts, slam, start you all over again. You like, bro, I just worked 3 months to get right here. I just worked 2 months to get. It took me 15 trades to get right here. As soon as you go all in, you like, slam you, slam you, slam you, slam you. You know what I'm saying? As soon as you went from 1 to 2, you went from 2 to 4, you went to 4 to 8. You know, you like, you know what? I ain't about to go to 8. I ain't going to 10. I'm going 20 contracts. Slam you. Now you got to start all over again. So I like what he said. That he said, nah, Trap, I'm building it slow. Like I ain't getting big headed. I ain't, you know what I'm saying? Kill everything you work for. 100%. 100%. So he see what's working for him. So I like that. Remember, we said use somebody else's rules as guardrails, and then from guardrails, then you create your own rules. We like that. We like that. Somebody said, I got slammed on the herd too. I got smoked, Trap. Man, I love it. I love it. I love it. Anybody else in the Patreon? Now you cooked. And I'm going to tell you something. When you get slammed early like that, that's when you battle tested. When you get slammed early like that, that's when you really got to dig in your gut and be like, all right, like, I'm not leaving this year. I'm not leaving. I'm not leaving. Because, no, sir. No, sir. No, ma'am. All right, anybody on the Patreon want to get in? Cook a couple of times. Listen, we all got cooked. I stand before you as the chef that been cooked before. You feel me? But here we are. Patreon member here, Patreon versus Trappers Anonymous, enemy different. Yep, so Trappers Anonymous, all we focus on is fundamental investing. Because there's people that want to focus on fundamental, so we got that. And then we, you know what I'm saying? Yep. Double R, my girl say, cause that February and March, yeesh. All right, credit. All right, what you got, family? Let's talk about it. Go live. All right, talk to me, fam. What you got? What's good, family?
What's up, Trap, man?
Man, what's happening with you, brother?
Man, doing good, brother, man. I just wanted to pull up my account because I know I got a small account that I don't mind talking about numbers on this account, man.
Yes,
And
sir.
I think it's good for people to know real situations.
Come on.
So, back at back in May, I was at 19,000 in this account, and I dropped down to $2,400.
From
And
19,000 to 2,400?
yeah, I was over
Yep.
leveraged. I was up.
Yep. No,
So I
no.
learned.
I just want to be, I get it.
Yeah, it was data in the losses, you know what I mean? And listening to you, and adding legs, averaging down, all that stuff do make a difference. So 6 months later, um, I brought it all the way up to 21,000. That's 417%. And
Mm,
year to date, I'm up 444%. And today the account is at $26,800. That's
mm.
just by staying in the game, not letting fear and the market trick you out your spot. So we getting money in the Patreon. Trap you in there, man. You know, with these technicals, man, this thing getting easy, you
Come
know?
on, bro. Come on, bro. Let me
Like,
ask you a question now, though.
what you got
So
for me?
I like that too. So you grow the account is
Mm-hmm.
at 19,000, right? At the
Mm-hmm.
time. And
Mm-hmm.
then it goes back down. It goes down to what you said, 2,500, something like that?
It was at 24,
2,400.
2,400. Yeah.
What's the thought process in your head at that time?
Man, at that time, Trap, being real with you, man, I was like, man, I done lost this much, man. I'm really just all in with it. And so what I did was I took one
Mm,
of your plays you was in, but I had a lot of faith off the data that I was seeing in the fundamentals and what the company had going on. And to be real with you, Trap, you ain't gonna believe this, but the play that I went in was when Wingstop dipped. I was able to take that money
mm-hmm,
and run a short play and catch it back up. And now I deviated because I seen what Wingstop was doing, and I started going
mm-hmm,
back into the ABGO and things of
mm-hmm,
that nature to rebuild my account back
mm-hmm.
up. Yep.
That's good. That's good.
Yep.
And so, how did that build you up, like mentally? What did that do to you to see you like, yo, I'm building this thing back up slowly but surely? Like, what did that do
Uh,
to you?
Well, mentally, I think now like you really gotta pull out those charts. That's for one. So and take advantage of those down days. So in the red days, what I should have been doing with my paper was really just averaging down and getting that money to grow quicker when it do, pop back up. So I
Mm,
think not being scared of the red days. A lot of us get happy when the green days are here, but we got to be mindful of the red days that's coming and how we can take advantage of deploying that money then.
man, that's good to
Yeah.
hear, bro.
Yeah,
That's good to hear. From
yeah.
19,000 to 2,500, and
2,400.
now
Yep.
you at 26,000.
Yeah. I'm at
Man, and stop
26.
calling that. Man, stop calling that a small account, man. Oh, and he's gonna show us the proof. Oh, that's crazy. Oh,
Yeah.
he's gonna show us the proof.
So,
Man, stop calling that a small account, man. I know you're thinking big, right? Like,
yeah.
I'm gonna get 100K out that thing. But man,
Yeah.
appreciate that growth right there, bro. Man, I appreciate you keep
Yeah.
locking in. I appreciate
Most
you for
definitely.
locking
Most
in. I
definitely.
appreciate you for sharing, bro.
Most definitely.
Thank you, man. I appreciate you. Oh, that's good.
All right,
That's
brother. You have a
good.
good day.
Yes, sir. Oh man, that's so good. That's so good. Imagine growing your account to $9,000, getting hit with the Trump tweet, knock you down to 2,500, from 19,000 to 2,500, but then having the resiliency to say, hey, you know what? I'm gonna get this shit back. Like I'm gonna get that back. I'm gonna fight for that, right? And I'm glad to be a part of the journey with him. So think about that. From 19,000 to 2,500, sticking with me, learning the plays, evolving, and now you back to 26. Man, that's battle tested. That's when you know you built for it. That's when nothing can. Only thing gonna change now is the emotion tied to the bigger the plays get. That's it. Oh man, I love that. I love that. I love that.